In task 7b, we're going to produce a column graph showing the rainfall figures for Wynyard from this table. Now you can see here maximum rainfall's 135, so my graph needs to accommodate that, total of 12 months. Now if you've got graph paper, I would use 14 grids going upwards and then 12 or maybe 12 and a bit grids to get some separation for the months along the bottom. So you'll have something along the lines of this. Now in a moment I'll demonstrate how we can do this without using a graph grid set. Now I've looked at how I could set this up. The wettest month had a total of 135 millimetres of rain, which was July. So I've accommodated from 0 through to 140, that covers it. And just using the lines on my page. So 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Going up to 140. Easy if you've got graph paper, but not absolutely essential. And what I've done, I've just drawn little width lines for the months of the year and done the abbreviations underneath. So if I'm doing this, I'll put little dots roughly where my header should be. 47, May's 55, April 89, May 105, looks like the winter months are indeed getting wetter in Wynyard. June 107, July's the peak, 135, and I'll just do the rest. Having drawn the lines, I'm just going to use my ruler to go up to that dot. Then I can flatten it off. And likewise for February. Ruling across and ruling down. March, and so on. I'll show you the finished product in a minute. Clearly, if you've got grid paper, it's going to be a lot easier though. And if we continue on the same basis, this is the kind of graph we'll end up with. If you've got a pencil, it might pay to use that, so you can make little adjustments as you go. If, like me, you've used a pen, it's going to sneak and cheat just a little bit. But you'll get the picture about how this can work.